how to create a group in WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create a group in WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, just head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply click on this plus icon right above the call section. So once you tap on this, you can see there's an option called new group. Just select it and simply select any of the person whom you want to include to be part of your member of your group. And you can also actually search for a specific person if you want to add a specific person, just like this, and simply click on next. And you can actually name your group name just like this. And once you do that, you can also actually perform the group permission from over here by settings and approve members, as well as perform other settings, and simply click on this right click, and just like that, you've successfully created a group on your WhatsApp. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.